Hello and welcome to this video on Set and HashSet. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about the set interface and some of its methods, and HashSet and some of its methods. So let us dive into this coding part. The set interface of Java Collections Framework provides the features of mathematical set in Java. It extends the collection interface. Unlike the list interface, set cannot contain duplicate elements. Since set is an interface, we cannot create objects from it. In order to use the functionalities of set interface, we can use HashSet, linked HashSet, enum set, and reset. These are some of the classes defined in the collection framework and used to implement set interface. Our video will now focus on HashSet alone. So how to use set? We can use set by importing the java.util.set package. So let us first do that. And now I'll define my class test main, and inside it I'll have my main method public static void main string args box. Now that my main class and main method is created, I'll use my set. For example, I'll store the animals list in my set string, and animals is equal to new of. I cannot initialize a set because it's an interface. Instead, I'll be initializing my hash set and open close and close brackets. So this is how I'll initialize my hash set. For me to use hash set, I have to import java dot util dot hash set. Has to be initialized so that I'll be able to use my hash set. Coming to hash set. The HashSet class of the Java Collections Framework provides the functionalities of the hash table data structure. In order to create a hash set, we have to use the HashSet package. Once we import the package, we'll write our hash sets, like for example. I can also initialize my hash set as hash set, right? Hash set. I'll initialize an integer for a change, and I'll have my numbers equal to new of hash set and close. And inside my brackets, I'll provide two parameters. For this particular case, I give 8 and 0.75. So notice the few parts hash set 8, 0.75. Here the first parameter is called the capacity and the second parameter is called the load factor. Capacity. The capacity of this hash set is 8, meaning it can store 8 elements. Load factor. The load factor of this hash is 0.6, meaning this whenever our hash set is filled by 60%, the elements are moved to a new hash table, double the size and the original hash table. Default capacity and load cost. It's possible to create a hash table without defining its capacity and load factor. For example, I've initialized my hash set here too. By default, the capacity of the hash set will be 16 and the load factor will be 0.75. So there are some methods that can provide various activities operations on the set. Insert. I'll now temporarily just use my set and hash set as this is the video is all about. So coming to set, I'll use animals dot add cat. I'll use my animals dot add dog. Animals dot add horse. So now I've added 3 elements to this set, and let me check if the hash is working. Animals. As you can see, cat, horse, and dog are printed. The thing to note here is set do not have a ordered input, meaning the orders of this set can change And as you can see, cat, dog, and horse are printed, but cat, horse, and dog is what it is stored as. So set do not have this numbering. Now we'll do some examples from the hash set. So let us do our example from the hash set. I'll just change my examples here. I'll define a hash set, integer, and it'll have a variable numbers equal to new of hash set. I'll close and round brackets. And I'll try to add the numbers dot add to numbers dot add 3 numbers dot add 5. So I've added 3 numbers, and this is how you add your elements in your hash set, and we'll check if it's working. As you can see, the numbers are added. And coming to our remove method, we can remove our elements by providing the variable name dot remove and the particular name of them. For example, if I want to remove 5, I can just provide 5, and I'll check if it's working by printing the set again. As you can see, the number 5 is removed. This 5 do not define the position rather than the actual value. So do not get confused. This is the position. If you're providing your hash set as a string, then you need to provide the number name of the hash set again, not the index. We can also provide union and intersection of sets using this method. We'll be seeing about them in the later video. In this video, we saw about what is set, what is hash set, some of the methods used in set and hash set. In the upcoming video, we'll be having an elaborate discussion on this particular set topics. So hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Thank you.